Hi friends, now we are going to see chapter 6 trigonometry exercise 6.3. First problem, from the top of a rock 50 root 3 meter high, the angle of depression of a car on the ground is observed to be 30 degree. Find the distance of a car from the rock. Okay, now we have to find the distance of the car from the rock. Okay, here solution. Here the angle of depression of a car on the ground is observed to be 30 degree. Okay, from the ground the angle of depression is 30 degree. Okay, the height, the top of the rock is 50 into root 3 meter. Okay, so the height of rock is 50 into root 3 meter. Now we have to find the distance of the car from the rock. Okay, we have to find BC. Okay, from the triangle ABC we get angle ACB is equal to 30 degree, AB is equal to 50 into root 3 meter. Here we get tan 30 degree is equal to AB divided by BC. Here tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Okay, so 1 by root 3 is equal to 50 into root 3 divided by BC. Here BC is equal to 50 into root 3 into root 3. So BC is equal to 50 into 3. So root 3 into root 3, here we get 3. So BC is equal to 50 into 3. So BC is equal to 150 meter. So the distance between car and the rock is 150 meter. Okay. Second problem, the horizontal distance between two buildings is 70 meter. The angle of depression of the top of first building when seen from the top of second building is 45 degree. If the height of second building is 120 meter, find the height of first building. Okay. Here we have to find the height of first building. Okay. Solution, here the given is the distance between the horizontal distance between first building and second building is 70 meter. Okay. Here the top, from the top of first building, here you are going to see the second building. Here we get 45 degree. Okay, the angle of depression is 45 degree. Okay, so here we get 45 degree. Okay, the height of first building is CE. Okay, here the total height of second building is 120 meter. Okay, now we have to find the height of first building. Okay, now we have to find in the triangle ABC we get tan 45 degrees equal to AB divided by BC. Okay, so here AB tan 45 degree is 1, AB is we have to find. Okay, BC is ED is equal to BC. So here we get 70 meter. So AB is equal to 70. Okay, so here we get 70 meter. Now we have to find BD. Okay, so here AD is equal to BD minus AB. Okay, now BD plus AB. Here AD is equal to BD plus AB. We have to find BD. Okay, so the height of first building. Okay, BD is equal to AD minus AB. Now we get BD is equal to AD is 120 meter. So AB is 70. So BD is equal to 50 meter. Okay. Here BD is equal to CE. So here we get the height of first building is 50 meter. Third problem, an aeroplane at an altitude of 1800 meter, find that two boats are sailing towards it in the same direction. The angle of depression of a boat are observed from the aeroplane are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the distance between the two boats. Okay, here the value of root 3 is 1.732. Okay, here solution, the height of the aeroplane is 1800 meter. It is AB. Okay, from the height of from the aeroplane we are going to see two boats. One is here and another one is here. It is in the same direction and in sailing towards in the same direction. Okay, so the angle of depression is one is 60 degree and another one is 30 degree. Okay, here it is 60 degree and another one is 30 degree. Okay, now we have to find the distance between two boats. Okay, we have to find CD. Here the distance between B and C is X and C and D is D. Okay, we have to find the D. Okay, now from the triangle ABC we get tan 60 is equal to AB divided by BC. So tan 60 degree is root 3. So root 3 is equal to AB is 1800 meter divided by BC. So here we get BC is equal to 180 divided by, so BC is equal to 1800 divided by root 3. So here we have to multiply root 3 to both denominator and numerator. Okay, so here we get root 3 cancel and here we get BC is equal to 183 root 3 divided by 3. So 600. So here we get X is equal to 600 root 3 meter. Okay, now we have to find from the triangle ABD, tan 30 degree is equal to AB divided by BD. Here AB is 1800, tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So BD is X plus D. Okay, here we get X plus D is equal to 1800 into root 3. Here we have to substitute value X. So D is equal to 1800 root 3 minus 600 into root 3. Here we get D is equal to 1200 into root 3. So here root 3 value is 1200 into 1.732. Here the multiplication of 1.732 into 1200 is 2078.4 meter. So the distance between the two boats are 2078.4 meter. Okay. Fourth problem, from the top of a lighthouse, the angle of depression of two ships on opposite sides of it are observed to be 30 degree and 60 degree if the height of the lighthouse is h meters. Okay, and the line joining the ship passes through the foot of the lighthouse. Okay, show that the distance between two ships is 4h divided by root 3 meter. Here we have to show the distance between the two ships is 4h divided by root 3 meter. Okay. Solution here given us the height of the lighthouse is h and it observed two ships from the opposite side. Okay. So here this side one ship and this side one ship. This angle is one is 60 degree, one is 30 degree. Okay. So here it is 30 degree, it is 60 degree. Here it is A, B, okay. Here AB is H, C, D. Okay. Now we have to find the distance between C, D. Okay. Here CB is X and BD is Y. Okay. Now we have to find CD. Okay. Now from the triangle ABC, here we get tan 30 degrees equal to AB divided by BC. Okay. Here AB is H. Okay. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is equal to AB is H and BC is X. Okay. Here we get X is equal to H into root 3. Okay. This is equation number 1. From the triangle ABD, here we get tan 60 degrees equal to AB divided by BD. Okay. Now tan 60 is root 3. So AB is H and BC is and BD is Y. Okay. So Y is equal to H by root 3. It is second equation. Okay. Now here we have to find CD. CD is equal to BC plus BD. Okay. Now CD is equal to X plus Y. So X value is from the equation H into root 3 plus H by root 3. Okay. We have to take LCM. Here we get root 3 into root 3 H plus H divided by root 3. Here we get root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 3H plus H divided by root 3. So CD is equal to 4H divided by root 3. Okay. So the distance between the ship is 4H divided by root 3. Hence show that it is 4H divided by root 3. Okay. Thank you friends. Please subscribe and share my channel.